Facts about Eindhoven, City, Netherlands. The city of Eindhoven is located in the southern part of the Netherlands. Eindhoven is a vibrant and dynamic city that is known for its high-tech industries and innovation. Eindhoven has a strong emphasis on sustainability and green initiatives. Many buildings in the city have been designed with eco-friendly features, and there are numerous parks and green spaces for residents to enjoy. The awards celebrate innovation and talent in the design industry. Eindhoven is home to several world-class museums, including the Van Abbe Museum and the Philips Museum. These museums offer a diverse range of art, history, and technology exhibitions for visitors to explore. And every Tuesday is a market day in Eindhoven that you can buy fresh fruits, vegetable, clothes, chicken, fish, kibbeling, and many things. Eindhoven is home to a lively local market called the Woenselsmarkt.